Hey everyone, if you've been thinking about getting a Royal Bank of Scotland credit card, well then you're in luck because in this video we're going to be showing you exactly how to do that and what to expect along the way. So first things first, simply head over to the Royal Bank of Scotland website. And once you're here, you will then have to navigate to the products section. Then click credit cards and select see our credit card options. So from here, you will then be able to see all the options they have. So from cards for balance transfers to APRs, or even ones for traveling abroad or earning rewards. So simply click check eligibility on the card you like, and don't worry, this won't affect your credit score. So RBS simply uses this to check if you're likely to be approved, and it will also show you what your card could cost before you commit. So to apply, you simply need to be at least 18 or older, live in the UK, and earn at least £10,000 per year. You also have to make sure you haven't been bankrupt in the last 6 years. So if you have a joint account, both parties also need to meet these conditions. So next, you'll then be asked whether you're an existing RBS customer. So if you already have an account, it's going to make things way quicker by pre-filling some of your information. So if you're new to RBS, don't worry, just select that option and you'll then go through the full application. And from here, you then have to fill in your personal details, income, and other information. So some cards might also ask for ID verification. So once that's submitted, RBS will then review your application. And if you're approved, you then get your card in the post and you can literally activate it to start using it online or in stores. And that's basically it. So it's really that straightforward once you know exactly where to go. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.